Tes sinyal dulu, tes sinyal. Frame rate-nya ngedrop ya. Frame rate-nya gimana ya biar nggak nge-lag ya. Nanti kita coba cari settingan untuk biar frame rate-nya nggak nge-lag ya.
Take you to the inspection. Over here. Right here, please. We appreciate your cooperation.
Welcome to the Raven Shelter. You need to be inspected and registered before you can go inside.
Di PC gue sih nggak terlalu patah-patah gimana. Soalnya gue nggak pakai nggak pakai nggak pakai VGA ya. Jadi harap maklum aja. Namanya juga PC nanggung. Jadi harap dimaklumin ya guys.
A new survivor? Don't be nervous. This is the Raven. Since this is your first time in the shelter, we need to thank you. Oh, by the way, this is Dr. Michael. He'll be in charge of your checkup and treatment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael. Well, nothing serious, just a few scratches. All you need is a bandage and a good night's rest. Follow me. I'll find you a place to rest.
Okay.
Slow down. I'm not as young as I used to be. Look at this place. Can you believe that at first there was nothing here but a pile of rubble? I still remember those days. Kane, Sherry, Catherine. The Ravens built all this and gave the shelter a new purpose. There was no farmland or pasture along the river, only wilderness. It was Kane who led everyone to find seeds and livestock. I don't know how many all-nighters Catherine had to pull to get the signal tower and the helicopters up and running. She might not talk much, but she gets stuff done. We even have a school that Sherry built. She's the principal and all the children adore her. You can stay here tonight. I'm sure you'll love it.
Once you register, you'll be able to check every single thing about your physical condition. In many cases, this device might even be more important than your weapon.
It should be on the coffee table in the living room.
day. Time to take a bath and get to bed.
Olahraga dulu ya kan.
Exercise is tiring, but it keeps you fit.
Kuat yuk. Olahraga lagi, satu kali lagi. Anjay. Waduh. Otot sakit 1 jam anjir. Sekarang latihan pembakaran lemak sekalipun kamu mau. Lapar cok. Oke.
Can't even remember the last time I had a hot bath. Definitely sleep well tonight.
Tidur. Kalau kelelahan otot tinggi tuh bisa tidur nggak?
That was a good night's sleep. Feeling refreshed.
Apa nih?
This is amazing. I feel alive again. My numbers should be pretty good.
Mentalitas. Vigor ini.
Time for a bathroom break.
Oke. Perut laparan gue, weh. Makan. Ini mana makanan? Mana kita? Oh, sini.
My clothes. Stains. Sand, grease, mud. Well, guess my expedition yesterday was pretty eventful. I can't stand this anymore. I have to wash up. These have to be washed. I think the washing machine's downstairs.
Udah, kemana lagi kita?
Glad you had a good night's sleep. I had to be on guard all night in case you did anything crazy. If you did, I would have busted into your room. I'm not kidding. You don't look. I heard you and Sherry are friends. If you're looking for her, just follow the road to the right. She should be at the memorial wall.
Ngelek.
I didn't expect to see you again so soon. You should rest more. You were hurt pretty bad.
Just a few scratches, no big deal. What are you all doing here? Is that Kane over there?
We're getting ready for the memorial service later today. You can go talk to Kane. He's the leader of the Raven Squad and the shelter.
Good to see you again. As the leader, soon you'll find we're holding us. By the way, something I need to talk with you about. Meet you at the command center after the service.
Mana lagi kita?
Saying goodbye to even more of our friends. When I decided to become, there's a lot I can do. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought this up.
No worries.
Kita hibur.
I'll have those
Thanks for saying that. I applied for access to the shelter's radio station for you yesterday. You just need to talk to our communications specialist, Matilda, to get on the channel.
Are you the survivor? Before I add you to the channel, let me tell you about the Raven. This place used to be one of the so Kane at first. Things were but we pulled through. We managed to expand the shelter to the size it is. The shelter, founded by Kane, started off as the Raven Squad. The members were Sherry, Catherine, but Yevgeny went missing during the mission. Anyway, maybe Kane will tell you more. By the way, don't forget to tune in on the radio. The set's right there on the table. Be sure to say hi to everyone when you're connected.
Kayaknya kita harus setting lagi deh nanti nih. Masih berat ya.
It's been 4 years since zombies are getting those crooks and all these things are from the very bottom of my heart. I hope that you will join the Raven Squad and become one of us. That's great. Again, we don't want this is the only but trust. So we have if we come. I hope you can go talk to Catherine. She's our tack. Welcome to the Ravens. I look forward to good news from you.
Kemana kita?
I'm Catherine. Former, I heard about besides all, well, you can monitor your supplies through the survival page.
Catherine's right. Danger's everywhere. I have to be prepared.
Kemana?
Outside? Only trust your welcome, buddy. Let me guess. If you buy 500
Toko. Oke. Beli 500. Tahu. Bahan tidak cukup. Tadi suruh beli 500 ya.
Still need food and water.
Nanti gue salah lagi. Pendang makan. Oke.
What are you looking to buy?
Welcome, but that's you can probably imagine how tough it is to sustain a shelter this size in an environment like this.
Ini buka ini apa ya? Lumayan. Gak tahu gue upgrade apaan tadi. Gue belum tahu nih guys. Itu motornya pada ditinggal-tinggalin anjir.
Looks like you're ready. Looking forward to your safe return. Remember, hope always survives.
Helipad di atas.
Let's move out as soon as we can. Before we get to Redwoods, let me tell you more about the place. They often have missions posted. I'm sure you'll cross paths with them again in the future. Redwood Outpost used to be a wood processing plant near the logging camp. After the disaster broke out, the workers who survived came together and built a fortified outpost using the timber available. The Redwood folks are skilled builders and woodworkers. They make sturdy defensive walls and building materials, which are essential resources to the Raven shelter, as well as the key to defending against zombies. I'm not sure about this operation. The outpost had been under siege before. But zombies in this situation sounds definitely more serious this time.
Yeah.
Can anyone still fight? The gate's about to be breached. We need backup.
Finally here. Where's everybody else? Either Kane's gone mad, or you're out of your mind.
Alhamdulillah. Tiga bom.
More zombies are coming. Backup. We need backup.
Aduh.
Thanks for everything you did for us. It's we all want you to have it. Please.
Sherry speaking. I'm at the homestead. You can build your own safe house here. Come and meet me.
Mana nih? Redwood Outpost. Ini gue jalan kah? Udah patah-patah guys. Gua benerin ininya dulu dah. Kita benerin